Okay, tell me a little bit about it.
This one I'm not really too sure on. I picked this one up myself a couple years ago, and I'm getting more into the street rod end of it myself.
Okay.
The originals, I don't get as much enjoyment out of them. So we're selling this one, and we're going to go a little different route.
Get something else.
Yep, I've got that 33 Dodge in there. That's going to be the next one up.
Nice. Can we start it up as it runs and everything, right?
Yep.
I was going to say, take me for a ride. You don't mind driving it down the driveway?
No.
Right? My wife. I'm going to leave her here. Or we could pick her up.
Yeah, room in the back seat.
Yeah, let's pick her up. Honk your horn at her. Come on, get in.
Turn that AC on.
Turn the AC on, yeah. Come on, you can go for a ride. So there we go. It's all complete. Runs good. I love that giant steering wheel.
Yeah, got nice power steering.
Right, you got to have power to steer it. Twisted chrome. Always got the deluxe mats with. Wow. Yeah, this is all original. Is that the original mileage on it, you think?
You know, I don't really know.
I just love how you got to turn that thing. There we go. Getting the hang of it. Put all the knobs, all the chrome. What do you think, Robin?
Pretty comfortable, actually.
Yeah, it is.
Take a nap back
Look
here.
at you.
It's huge.
Yeah. This would be a comfortable cruising car. Yeah. Got a good liner and everything in it. So Mike's selling it because he's going a different route. He's had it for a few years, right?
Yep.
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 We're just out in mid-Michigan going for a ride. In a little bit, I'm going to find out how much he wants to sell it for. But we'll wait till we stop. Oh man, this is comfortable.
Very comfortable.
This seat is comfortable.
I know.
Yeah. This would be like a good one just to drive around town,
Right.
just for the heck of it. You know, put it up in the winter. Probably last you for the rest of your life. There's some scenic views, and it's quiet in here. There's none of that.
It really is quiet.
No, he's got his window open, and I can barely hear it. There's a lot of sound deadening. Out of gas?
As I'm wondering.
No, we better go back.
Yeah.
Not the first time I run out of gas in one of these cars. The gas gauges aren't always
It's
accurate.
got this little handle.
Yeah. It's still rolling, so don't cut it.
All the way across the back.
Yep. All right. Oh, don't run out of gas. Looks like we're going to be pushing. Okay, so here we are on the side of the road. They went to get gas. Apparently the gas gauge was off, but
So an eighth of a tank does not mean an eighth of a tank.
yeah, I don't know if you guys remember that. So the car ride's good. And it looks like it's going to rain, so we're going to be maybe holed up in the car in a little bit. But yeah, I can walk around this. I can't flip the camera around or I lose my video. There we go. Enough of that. Enough of me.
Just gliding.
Right.
The fabric's like wool.
I think it's mohair. There's Miss Daisy.
Driving Miss Daisy.
Miss Daisy run out of gas. Put some gas in it, start it right up. So, one thing you might want to know about this car, it's about an eighth of a tank off. When you hit the eighth of a tank, you
better
need
be getting
gas.
there.
You need some gas. So nothing wrong with this car at all. Just you have to keep an eye on your gas gauge. So that's a good one. Yeah. Yep. This car is just about everything. A little dent in the front bumper, it could be fixed. But everything else is here. We even have vent windows in the back. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, like you said, that's for smokers. So if you're a smoker, this is your car.
Except it doesn't smell like that right now.
No, it does not smell like smoke at all. So it probably weren't smokers. Got all the knobs. Take a quick look at the motor. Wow, look at that. Clean as can be. Did you put a new carb on, or was that on there?
That was on there.
Okay.
I took the air cleaner off because
Okay.
we.
Isn't that a cute car?
It is.
I actually like that one.
Yeah,
But I like
the blue one.
But I do have the original air cleaner in the barn.
Yeah. Okay.
Like the back seat, you could take a nap back there.
Yeah, it's. Look at how clean it is. Everything, no dents, anything like that. The only thing we got is one little dent right there. All right.
Still set up as a 6-volt.
6-volt system.
I have a complete aftermarket 12-volt conversion kit in the trunk.
Okay.
Chrome alternator comes with it, the whole wire harness, everything.
Okay.
All the bulbs, every bulb in the car.
Okay. Change them all out.
Yeah.
Well, some people just leave them as 6s.
Right.
You know,
Right.
it just depends.
Okay, you know.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell us about it, Mike?
A lot of kiddies here would really appreciate.
You noted the seat, tear in the seat.
Okay. Oh, underneath the cover.
Yep. Under
Okay.
the cover, and then on the driver's seat here.
Everything else looks really good. Okay. Oh, I see. Raised up a little. All right. So we got a little bit of repair that can be made there. Nothing major. And you say a little bit in the front
On the
seat?
front driver's side.
Okay. Okay.